Thank you very much for clicking on Zara Naija. I'm going to be making this special cream for the fastest hair growth. From the comfort of your home, you can make this special cream to make your hair grow very fast and prevent hair fall and make your hairline grow evenly and also prevent itchy scalp. Please click on that subscribe button so that you keep watching our hair and skin tips immediately we drop it for you. Thank you. First, I'm going to melt this shea butter. As the shea butter is melting under a very low heat, I'm going to scoop out some aloe vera gel. This aloe vera gel into the melted shea butter. You mix very well to a very smooth consistency. Please don't forget to click on that subscribe button, the red subscribe button you can see below this video. Just click on it and also leave a comment for us. You can ask us any question. The aloe vera gel is half the quantity of shea butter. You can see everything is well mixed together. Coconut oil, which is the same quantity with the aloe vera gel. This is coconut oil. And then mix again. Finally, I'm going to add just a little vitamin E oil. At this point, I'll just mix it again together and allow it to get cold. Please don't forget to click on that subscribe button. We shall be right back. I will now put it in a cream container. Here I have it in my cream container. I'm going to keep it in the fridge to get cold. And don't worry, if you don't have a fridge, just get a cold place and cover it and keep it there for a while. This is how the final hair cream will look like. It helps prevent hair fall and promotes rapid hair growth. It also prevents itchy scalp. You are expected to pat your hair, then rub it on your scalp and massage it, and also rub it on your hair. If you have problem with your hairline, you also put it on your front hair, massage it, and you are expected to also do that like 4 times in a week if you want your hair to grow very fast. And after a very short time, your hair will grow very long. Thank you very much for watching Zara Naija. Please don't forget to click on that subscribe button so that you keep getting beauty and hair care tips fresh as the video is being uploaded for you. And also follow our Facebook and Instagram pages, all at Zara Naija. Thank you.